Hello, I'm Lee from Yaoan. After studying in the United States, I received a job offer from an HVAC-related company, but I decided to come back here to carry on the business my family started. Our company has been founded for 30 years. It started with simple fans and grew to produce fire dampers, air vents, and mufflers. For 3 decades, Yaoan has stayed focused on one mission: to make buildings safer with advanced technology and efficient products. From manual workshop to advanced research facilities, we've turned craftsmanship into precision manufacturing. You may not see us, but you can feel our presence. From subway stations to high-rise ventilation systems, Yaoan equipment works quietly behind every safe rack. I came back because I believe that Made in China not only stands for affordable, but also stands for quality and responsibility.